And now, as we celebrate our freedom earned through countless sacrifices, it is now time for one of the most memorable moments of our celebration. May I request everyone to rise for the flag hoisting ceremony. Everyone to remain standing for the national anthem. And now, let us sing our national anthem with pride, respect, and gratitude.
Our national anthem continue to inspire us to serve our nation with integrity, compassion, and pride. They say that great leaders don't just educate minds, they inspire hearts, nurture dreams, and empower everyone to become the very best version of themselves. It is now my privilege to invite our respected Principal Ma'am, Miss Daisy Bastion, to address the gathering.
Respected Chief Guest, our Chairman, Founder Director, Ms. Brinda Ma'am, esteemed members of the Trust, Mr. Om Sir, members of the staff, Jai Hind. Dear students, imagine you are sitting with your friends and everyone suddenly says, "Come on, everybody is doing, let us also do it." Maybe it is a trend, maybe it is something on the screen, maybe it is teasing someone, maybe it is copying an answer because everyone else does it. And just for 1 second, a little voice from inside you asks, "But is this right?" That little voice matters because, listen very carefully, because freedom is not only about being the ability to do what you want. Freedom is also having the courage to think for ourselves. Remember, freedom is having the courage to think for ourselves. So today, I want to speak to you about 3 ideas. I'll be checking with you tomorrow whether you remember them or not. Number 1, think for yourself. Number 2, choose who you become. And number 3, leave India better because you were here. So first, think for yourself. Every day, your attention is being pulled by so many things. Somebody tells you, watch this. Somebody says, buy this, believe this, follow this, so many things. But not everything that is popular is right. And not everything you see on the screen is true. So ask questions. Is it true? Is it kind? And is it right? Your mind is very precious. Do not hand it over to others. Do not make others think for yourself. So, remember, always think for yourself. My second idea, my second thought is choose who you become. Suppose you see a child standing alone during the interval, or a child sitting alone during the lunchtime, or someone in your class without friends. You have a choice. You can just walk past, or you can smile and say, "Come, sit with us." It may take just 5 seconds, but those 5 seconds can change the life of someone. And this is how character is built. Not in one great moment, but in hundreds of small choices you make every day. Every time you tell the truth, every time you admit I was wrong, every time you include someone, and every time you try again instead of giving up, you are choosing the person you are becoming. And children, this is true for us adults also. Teachers, children may forget some of what we teach them, but they remember how we make them feel. They watch how we speak, how we correct or connect, how we encourage, and how fairly we treat one another. And those of us who lead schools and institutions like me or all the honored guests sitting here, we also make that choice every day. In the way we act, we also teach values. So we are not exempted from that. So every day we choose who we become. So remember the first 2 points. What is the first point? Think for yourself. Yeah, think. And second one is choose who you become. And that choice is every day, whatever you make. Every seconds you make a choice. And finally, leave India better because you were there. You were here. You don't have to wait until you grow up to serve the country. You can begin it today, right now, this evening, tomorrow morning. Pick up one piece of litter, even if you didn't drop it. Help one person who is struggling. Stand beside someone who is being left out. Learn something well enough to solve a problem. Use technology to create, not merely to consume. Make one corner of your world better. Because India is not something far away. India is your classroom. India is your playground. India is the person sitting beside you. India is what all of us are building together. So, dear students, when you go home today, remember these 3 things. Which are the 3 things? Think for yourself, choose who you become, and leave India better because, you are here. And tonight, perhaps, ask yourself one small question. Because I was here today, was someone's life a little better? If each of us can answer yes a little more often, perhaps that is how better India is built. Not only through great leaders and great speeches, but through ordinary people making extraordinary little choices every single day. Jai Hind.